Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The Best Rock Kits is probably one of the most exciting and educational tools for young explorers aged 8 to 12. These kits offer a hands-on journey into the fascinating world of geology, allowing kids to discover the wonders of rocks and minerals. They're designed to spark curiosity, encourage scientific thinking, and provide a fun, engaging way to learn about the natural world. Number 5. National Geographic Geodes STEM Science Kit. Ready to unearth some amazing crystals? This kit lets you break open rocks and discover the hidden treasures inside. It's a fantastic STEM activity for kids. Each geode holds a unique surprise. The crystals inside come in a wide variety of colors and formations. You'll be amazed by what you find. These are real geodes, ranging in size from small to medium. Kids will love the excitement of cracking them open to reveal the natural beauty within. It's a fun and educational experience. Learn all about how geodes are formed with the included guide. It's full of fascinating information and colorful illustrations. This kit makes learning fun. This product is developed by Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy of the Year award. They create products that encourage education, imagination, and creativity. They also have a US support team. What we like? This kit lets you break open geodes and discover the hidden crystals inside. The variety of geodes ensures an exciting experience every time. If you are looking for a hands-on activity that combines fun and learning, you should consider this kit. It's perfect for young geologists eager to explore the wonders of crystal formation. What people say. The kit included everything needed for a fantastic rock-breaking adventure, for rocks to smash and or chisel, clear instructions, protective glasses, and a magnifying glass to examine the treasures within. We were thrilled to discover 3 amazing geodes, each with beautiful, sparkling crystals inside. This kit provides an excellent hands-on learning opportunity, perfect for children and adults alike. Number 4. National Geographic Rock Tumbler Kit. With this kit, you can easily turn ordinary rocks into sparkling gemstones. It's designed for simple operation, making it fun for everyone to create beautiful polished stones. The tumbler features a long-lasting motor and a leak-proof rubber barrel. This design reduces noise, making it much quieter than other models. It's a great STEM activity for kids. This kit includes everything you need to get started: the tumbler, polishing grits, a sifter, rough gemstones, and a detailed guide. It's a perfect gift for anyone interested in geology. The simple instructions and one-touch settings make rock tumbling easy and enjoyable. You can set the timer and let it run, with an automatic shut-off feature for convenience. It's a fantastic gift for kids. This product is developed by Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy of the Year award. They focus on products that encourage learning and creativity, with a US support team to ensure a great experience. What we like? This rock tumbler kit allows you to transform rough rocks into sparkling gemstones. Its durable motor and quiet operation make it a joy to use. If you like the idea of creating your own gemstones and enjoy a bit of a longer project, you should choose this one. It's great for those who enjoy the process of creation and transformation. What people say. The rock tumbler is easy to use. The kit comes with everything you need to start tumbling rocks. The rocks polished up beautifully. Number 3. National Geographic Mega Gemstone Dig Kit. Get ready for an exciting adventure. This kit lets kids dig in a real gem mine and discover crystal treasures. It's a fun and educational way to explore and learn. Inside, you'll find amazing gemstones like pyrite, amethyst, and tiger's eye. This kit combines fun with learning, making it a great educational toy. This kit includes everything needed for hours of digging and learning. It comes with a dig brick, chisel, brush, and magnifying glass. It's all there to help them explore. The full color guide teaches how gemstones are formed and mined. It also helps young scientists identify each specimen they discover. It's a great learning resource. We are proud to make high-quality, hands-on science toys. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know. We'll make sure you're happy with your purchase. What we like? This kit offers the thrill of digging for real gemstones, providing an engaging and educational experience. It includes a variety of gemstones like amethyst and quartz. If you want a fun, hands-on activity that combines the excitement of discovery with learning, you should consider this. It's ideal for kids who love treasure hunts and learning about different gemstones. What people say. She found all 15 stones and each was a little masterpiece. It comes with a book to learn about each one, which is awesome. It was so much fun for him to dig for the little gems. I enjoyed the shouts of joy after each and every rock was found. The size of the rocks were good enough. There were lots of varieties and no missing parts. Very educational, and the mess was good as it was done in enjoyment. Number 2. National Geographic Rock Collection Box for Kids. This is a perfect standalone kit or expansion to any rock collection. It includes over 300 genuine rock, mineral, and crystal specimens from around the world. Crack open 2 premium geodes to reveal dazzling crystal interiors. This is an unforgettable hands-on geology experience for kids. Learn to recognize amethyst, pyrite, rose quartz, and more with the help of the full-color learning guide and included magnifying glass. It helps you identify different types of rocks. This collection includes a variety of rocks such as amethyst, aventurine, and tiger's eye. You can explore a wide range of different rocks with this kit. Safely store your collection in the included storage bag and use the magnifying glass to examine your favorite specimens up close. It's a great way to display and share your findings. Blue Marble, winner of the Toy Association's prestigious Toy of the Year award, proudly develops products that foster education, imagination, and creativity. They have a U.S. support team to ensure a stellar experience. What we like. This kit provides a massive collection of rocks, minerals, and crystals from around the world. It also includes geodes to crack open and discover crystals. If you are looking to start or expand a rock collection and want a comprehensive set, you should choose this one. It's perfect for young collectors and budding geologists. What people say. The rock tumbler is easy to use and set up. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a rock tumbler, rocks, grit, and polishing compound. The rock tumbler is a great way to teach kids about geology and the process of rock polishing. Number 1. National Geographic STEM Science Kit, 15+ experiments. This amazing kit is packed with over 15 exciting experiments. It's designed to spark curiosity and make learning fun for kids of all ages. From erupting volcanoes to growing crystals, it offers a wide range of activities. It's a fantastic way for them to explore different scientific concepts. This kit is perfect for sharing with friends and family. They can enjoy the magic of discovery together and create lasting memories. A detailed learning guide explains the science behind each experiment. It helps them develop a deep understanding of Earth sciences. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, building confidence in young scientists. It allows them to focus on the joy of exploration and discovery. It is made with high-quality materials and backed by exceptional service. If they are not completely satisfied, the company will make things right. What we like. This science kit offers over 15 experiments, including crystal growing and volcano building. It's designed to be shared with family and friends. If you are looking for a kit that offers a wide variety of experiments and encourages shared learning experiences, you should consider this. It's perfect for curious kids eager to explore different areas of science. What people say. The rock tumbler is easy to use. The kit includes everything needed to start tumbling rocks. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.